Hello, and welcome back to my garden revamp, and this whole video is a comedy of errors. Sometimes you just have to laugh at yourself, honestly, and so I left some really cringe moments in this video, and I hope you enjoy them. If you can't laugh at yourself, you're doing it wrong. Sometimes gardening and struggling go hand in hand. I had secured these garden beds to some untreated lumber with some screws, so I had to unscrew those first. And I thought this was going to be a lot more difficult to remove than it was, and I am so proud of myself. But I really am proud of myself. This has been hard work, and I'm only just getting started. You can accomplish most things with leverage. You just have to be careful. Luckily, the garden bed behind me caught my fall. Use untreated lumber for your vegetable gardens to reduce leaching of harsh chemicals. At first, I thought I could break this up with a hammer, but it turns out that it's actually tougher than I thought it was. It did break off a bunch of pieces, though, so I got out my handsaw and made pretty quick work of this. Pro tip, don't pull the lumber towards your face. That hurt real bad. Is it bad? I hope I don't have a black eye later. Oh my God. After punching myself in the face, I decided it was a good time to maybe stop for the day. Still pretty proud of myself. Come back for more.